Alright, it is Thursday, December 7th, 2017. It's 5:04 p.m. and it's 36 degrees here in McKinney. And I just uploaded a video on Tuesday, I believe it was, of starting up my central air conditioners, and that was on Sunday. So less than a week ago it was like 80 degrees, and now it's almost freezing. And in fact, I heard today we had a chance of snow this morning. I didn't know about it, but apparently we did have a chance of snow, a slight chance of snow, but we didn't get any. But yeah, the units aren't in use today, and in fact, I got a request. Shout out to Maria Rodríguez, I believe, for requesting for me to turn on both of my furnaces on a really cold day. So we're going to do that today. It's a very fitting day to do that. Alright, so I turned both of them off. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and do the upstairs system first. I think Pippin is down there somewhere. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. So I turned it up to 69 to get it to come on. These are 80% efficiency furnaces. Gas, obviously. There it goes. Alright. So yeah, I guess let's go ahead and do the downstairs system now. I'm gonna actually find a way to where I can rig up like a light so it's a little bit brighter over there. There's Pippin right there. I said I was wondering where he was. You should have seen him. I was gonna take a video of him. He was laying right there he was just laying on the counter. He's funny. Alright, so I got the light from my iPod Touch, and the upstairs system just shut off. So yeah. Alright, that's, like I said last time, that's the fun part. Not the best part about this, but that's one of my, anyways, that's one of my favorite parts about doing this, is trying to run up here, you know, turn the, oh, and the battery died on my iPod Touch. Are you freaking kidding me? I was charging it all day today. Alright, there it goes. Man, these are really solid furnaces. They've lasted, let's see, 16 years now. It seems like all my central air conditioner and heating systems have been extremely solid units. I mean, you know, the Guardian is going on 10 years now, and the York is 16 years as well. These are 16 years. I mean, yeah, this one shut off. So yeah, anyways, there's a start up with both of my York furnaces on a really cold day. Anyways, I guess over and out.